Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how you measure distances, areas, or even perimeters in a PDF file without having access to the AutoCAD files. So it makes a lot easier your calculations. To do so, either you go to the all tools here and find the measure objects, or you can just search for measuring tools here, and then you have the measuring tool. Then you click on the measuring tool, and you have these commands here. It's the snap types and the measuring types. This is the distance tools, this is the perimeter tool, and this one is the area tool. Whichever you need, you can select. For example, here I select the snap to be 2 points or endpoints, and the measuring tool is the distance tool. So I select the distance tool, and then what I do is basically check the scale of the drawing. Currently you see here the scale ratio is 1 inch equals to 1 inch, but the scale of the drawing is 1 to 100 millimeter. So 1 millimeter in the drawing equals to 100 millimeters in the actual side or in the actual building. So what I'm going to do is I right click on this drawing and click on the change scale, ratio and precision. When I click here, you see 1 inch equals to 1 inch, but we want to have 1 millimeter equals to 100 millimeters. So we change it to 100, and this one to millimeter. The precision is currently 0.01, and I say it is going to be 0.1, and that's okay. So click on OK, and now we can measure the distance. So for example, I can measure the distance from the corner of this this area to the corner here, and then click on here. So it is around 3.1 meters, or 3,149.43 millimeters. I can also measure the weight of this stair. So currently, and click here. So it's about 1 meter. This is how you calculate the distance. You can also choose this measuring tool, and it calculates the area. And okay, we select this one, this point, this point, this point, and and this point, and you see here the area is 98,405,620.43 millimeter square. So then you change it to the meter, and that's how you calculate the area. You can also calculate the perimeter. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Meanwhile, I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you again. Have a good one, and bye.